Hey, here we back. Vlog time. How are you, everyone? Hope you're having a good day. Great news, the new video finally got up. Had to redo the whole video. It was terrible. There was some sort of glitch or total issue in the 40-second mark of the video that I just could not clear out. I removed clips, did everything, couldn't get rid of it. So I just bit the bullet, deleted it all there, and just started again. So yeah, another 4 or 5 hours. I finally got it done and uploaded today, so you can go check out that one. I'll chuck a link up here or here for you, so you can go click to that. Yeah, pretty happy with that. All about using IKEA as a B-roll for either camera shots, or if you're doing a quick interview or intros or stuff like that, you can shoot in and get a couple of intros done, latest furniture, stuff like that. So I thought it was a good idea, and add a little pizzazz to your videos, and doesn't cost nothing. Just maybe just a quick drive to your local IKEA or local furniture store. Just shoot in and just, I guess, pretend you're looking for something. Always happy to help, and they've normally got really good lighting too, so it's yeah, it's good. I think you'll like it. Check it out. Let us know what you think. Again, just a reminder, don't forget about the 100 subscriber contest on the 18th. That's going to be coming out, so you don't want to forget about that. And what else? ICAST is happening. Wow, it's already going nuts. If you haven't gone over to the Tackle Warehouse, you can find on their homepage the koozie challenge I talked about last night. So you've got to find 3 of the stubby coolers or koozies in the videos each day. You go on to their site, entry that's from memory last year was a drop down box. You put the name of that that video in, and then that gets you in the draw to win it. Again, some fantastic prizes from that's normally all the new gear that they've got at the show, so that some of that stuff could not be coming out for 6 months. So awesome if you do get it. So definitely recommend getting over to Tackle Warehouse and checking that out. Other than that, it's a good day. ICAST is a great day for all fishermen. If you haven't watched it, I'll put a link over to Tackle Warehouse's page, so you can go and subscribe to them. Make sure you hit their bell while you're doing mine as well, because that'll give you all the latest videos when they come through each day. Awesome. If you want to know what's coming up in the next 12 months, or want to see before you're going to buy something, if there's something new that you probably better off staying for, definitely the time to check it out. Biggest fishing show on the planet for all us fishermen. Some of our sponsors, Woo Tungsten will be there, Boca Bearings will be there, some good friends of mine in BioBait will be there. Definitely check them out if you are at the show. Go suss them out. They're environmentally friendly baits, so they're really, really good. They'll be doing some big things in Australia soon, so check them out. Again, Tackle Warehouse, I'll whack the link down below for you, so you can shoot across to their YouTube to check out the videos. Good luck with the koozie challenge. It's a strange name for us Australians. It's a stubby cooler, but good luck. Hope you win, and yeah, I will see you all tomorrow, I guess. Nothing else I need to tell you? No, that's it. Oh well.